Example 12. Solve the log of x minus 21 equals 2 minus log x. So first, we're going to have to isolate the logs onto one side. So what does that mean? Well, let's go ahead and add log of x to the left-hand side. Or really to both sides, and eliminate it on the right-hand side. So adding log of x to both sides of the equation, we get log of x minus 21 plus log of x equals 2. Now we're going to write the left-hand side as a single logarithm statement. So we'll have addition in the expanded form means that we'll have multiplication in what I like to call the collapsed form. In other words, the single log statement. Now remember, what is log without a base number? That's log base 10. So now we're back to where we were maybe last unit or maybe 2 units ago, to where we have a single log statement equal to a number. So we can just use what this means. We can say 10 squared, because remember 2 is the exponent. So we're going to have 10 squared equals this argument. So we have x times x minus 21. Well, what is 10 squared? It's 100. And I'll go ahead and distribute the x squared minus 21x. Now I'd like for this to be an equation where I end my sentence with equals 0. So I'm going to say x squared minus 21x minus 100 equals 0. I'm just going to subtract 100 from both sides and rewrite it sort of in the more natural way from left to right. Now we're going to factor this. So I need factors of negative 100 whose sum is negative 21, and nicely that's x minus 25 times x plus 4, because negative 25 times positive 4 is negative 100, and negative 25 plus 4 is negative 21. So the zero product property says if something times something else equals 0, one of those two things must be equal to 0, or possibly both. So either x is equal to 25 or x is equal to negative 4. So going back to the original equation, I have two arguments. If any of my solutions makes either of those arguments 0 or negative, then it's an extraneous solution. So right away, this log of x right here, x cannot be equal negative 4. Let's check x equals 25. Obviously, log of 25 is a positive number. Is 25 minus 21 positive? Well, yes, it is. It's 4. So that's okay. So our one solution here is x equals 25.